first one, creating store procedures. So how to create the store procedure? So right click on this, like creating the function, and if you want you can write the comments and description, otherwise just ignore that. And here get underscore emp employee. So initially I am not giving any parameters. Okay, select star from employee. Simply I am executing this. Click on this execute button, otherwise press Ctrl E. Okay, and take this procedure name and write execute or exec and execute it. Okay, so here see, after writing this logic you have to execute this store procedure. Okay, and after the compilation, once the compilation is completed, then execute that procedure by giving the name, then you will get the output. Okay, so you can have this store procedure here. See, and in real time this executable command, if you place like here, then it will be good. See, alter again, if you are at first time you will write create statement before the procedure keyword. In second time, if you want to execute again, so procedure was already created, so you can do the modification, that means by using alter command. So if you again execute, then it will be altered. So I am closing this, modify. See, this executable command also will be stored. Okay, so this is the way to write basic store procedure. So creating, executing, modifying. Okay, so deleting means simply right click on this and delete it, or else you can write drop command like drop like this, execute it. Now refresh it, so procedure does not exist. Okay, now again I want to create same store procedure means, so if you write alter same, like if you execute again means, see, invalid object name. Why? Because we have already deleted. So in this again create command, create store procedure. Okay, if you execute it you will get the output. Okay, so next, input parameters. Input parameters means here I want to pass some values, like I want to pass salary integer. So here I want to write where salary less than or equal to 3000. So already exist means alter. If you execute this, what will happen? It is asking parameter. So it expects @salary parameter which was not supplied. Then you can give 3000 here, and don't select comment. If you select comment, then you will not get anything. Okay, see, I have selected before the comment. See, so all these employee details are having less than 3000 salary. Okay, and pass is not equal to null, then See what will happen. Sorry, I didn't consider. Sorry. I didn't put this parameter value. Put 3000. Then all records will have like this. Okay. If I give 2000, then observe this 2000. Okay. So like that. If you put null, then see, I didn't pass any value. This is optional parameter. So if you put null means uh, if I don't pass any value, then it will take null. Then that means in this where condition null will be passed. Okay. For example, if I put 1000 here, then less than or equal to 1000. I didn't pass any parameter here, but here I have hard coded 1000 to that parameter. Okay, if you don't pass any parameter, then salary value should be 1000. If I pass 3000 here, then that 1000 is overridden by the 3000. Okay, in sometimes it is better to copy in somewhere, otherwise so here first case is this is the procedure without parameters, right? So next one is okay, I will do name some other time. So see, here I am passing null value. So if I pass null value, I don't get any output. So here, if I pass null value, then I want to display all the employee details. Okay, if I pass null value, I want to display all the employee details. How do you write that? Here, I will write if condition here. At the rate salary is null, begin, end, salary is null, select star from ENP. Okay, else begin, end. If I pass null value, then I have to display all the employee details. If I pass any salary value, then that specified record only I want to display. I am passing 3000, so that records only displayed. Okay, if I pass null value, then entire records will be displayed. So here I am not considering 3000. Okay, so otherwise you can write like this. Okay, So here default it is null. So that's why I did not consider this null value while executing that procedure. Okay. So that is about input parameters with null, input parameters without null, input without parameters. Okay. So here if you want to have multiple parameters, then sorry. So see, I want to forget. I forget to tell about this. So this is one logic. I can write this logic by using single statement also, where is null. That means if parameter is null, salary equal to, if parameter is null, then salary equal to salary. Okay, so we will see the output. I am passing null value. See, both records are same. First data set is having 14 records, second data set is having 14 records. If I pass 3000, then both are same. See, how many statements, how many lines of code we have written? Almost 8 lines. 8 lines of code we have written. Same functionality I have written, I can achieve by using this single line also. So observe this. You come to know what is the purpose of null function. See, observe carefully. If this parameter is null, then I am going to equal salary column to the salary column. Okay, so that I can get all the records from the employee table. If the parameter is not null, then null function returns that not null value. Then I mean 3000. Okay, simple. Null function returns if this parameter is null, then it will take this expression salary column. So both where salary equal to salary. That means all records will be displayed. If the parameter is not null, that means salary equal to 3000. So 3000 value. Okay. So in real time, we used to write like this so that number of lines will be reduced.